Good morning to every student. Today we are going to discuss some problems of continuity. Last class we also see that some problems of continuity. If the question is let fx equal to ax square plus b if x less than 1, fx equal to 1 if x equal to 1, and fx equal to 2x minus b if x greater than 1. If f is continuous at x equal to 1, then find the value of a and b. Clearly, the given function is continuous at x equal to 1. Continuous at x equal to 1 means limiting value exists and is equal to value of the function. Since here given if x less than 1, the fx equal to x square plus b. If x greater than 1, then fx equal to x minus b. So clearly this is a step function. For existence of the limit, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and is equal to value of the function. Answer will be, since fx is continuous at x is equal to 1, so limit x tends to 1 f of x is equal to f of 1. This is known as the value of the function and this is known as the limiting value at x equal to 1. But limiting value exists here, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. That is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to f of 1. First we find limit x tends to 1 minus fx, then we find limit x tends to 1 plus fx, then f of 1. By equating this equation, we find the value of a and b. So limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. So x tends to 1 minus means x less than 1. If x less than 1, then what will be fx? Here fx equal to ax square plus b. So this is limit x tends to 1 minus fx equal to ax square plus b. But how to find the left hand limit? You know, limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. That means you substitute a minus h in place of x as h tends to 0. So limit x tends to 1 minus means this will be limit h tends to 0. तो मेरी x रे कौन पकेबो 1 minus h पकेबो a into 1 minus h रो whole square plus b. Okay, so this is equal to, put h is equal to 0, so a into 1 minus 0 square plus b, and this is equal to a plus b. But the right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus, now limit x tends to 1 plus fx. So this is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, what will be fx? If x greater than 1, then fx equal to 2ax minus b. So this is equal to 2ax minus b, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0, substitute 1 plus h in place of x. x are कौन पकेगा 1 plus h पकेगा, so 2a into 1 plus h minus b. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2a plus 2a h minus b. H tends to 0 means you have to put h is equal to 0. So by putting h equal to 0, 2a minus 2a plus 2a into 0 minus b. So this is equal to 2a minus b. Here LHL is a plus b and RHL equal to 2a minus b. But the value of the function at x equal to 1, value of the function at x equal to 1, value of the function value of the function at x equal 1, that is f of 1. So if x is equal to 1, then fx equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, by given continuity of the function, LHL equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. So LHL means you get a plus b, RHL means 2a minus b, and the value of the function is 1. By equating this equation, that implies a plus b equal to 1 and 2a minus b is equal to 1. So minus b plus b cancel. Here 3a equal to 2, that implies a is equal to 2 by 3. So now a plus b equal to 1, substitute a equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus b is equal to 1, that implies b is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, and this is equal to 1 by 3. So a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the value of a 2 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 3. So in such a way, you have to find the value of a and b by using condition continuity of the function. And next example. So fx equal to 1 minus sin qx by 3 cos square x if x less than pi by 2. If x equal to pi by 2, then fx equal to a. If x greater than pi by 2, then fx equal to b into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole square. If f is continuous at x equal to 1, at x equal to pi by 2, then find the value of a and b. In that question also, f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Then find the value of a and b. Continuous means limiting value exists and is equal to value of the function. And the answer will be, since f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, so limiting value exists and is equal to value of the function. So limit x tends to pi by 2, fx is equal to f of pi by 2. But limit x tends to pi by 2 fx means here given that x pi by 2 less than. If x less than pi by 2, then this one. If x greater than pi by 2, then this one. So for the existence of limit, we have to calculate the left hand limit and right hand limit. जेहेतु ए प्रॉब्लम रे एक्स्ट्रा पाई बाय 2 सानो पाई गोटे देछि, एक्स्ट्रा पाई बाय 2 बड़ हेले ता पाई फंक्शन देछि, तो हमको एलएचएल बाहर करिया पड़ियो और राइट हैंड लिमिट, दैट इज लिमिट x tends to pi by 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus fx, and this is equal to f half pi by 2. First we find the left hand limit. So now limit x tends to pi by 2 minus fx. So this is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, if x tends to pi by 2 minus means x less than pi by 2. For x less than pi by 2, then fx equal to this one, 1 minus sin qx by 3 cos square x. So x tends to pi by 2 minus means we calculate the left hand limit, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0. You substitute pi by 2 minus h in place of x. Are you understand? So 1 minus sin pi by 2 minus h, exact कौन पकेबो, pi by 2 minus h पकेबो by 3 into cos pi by 2 minus h whole cube, 1 minus sin pi by 2 minus h whole cube by 3 into cos pi by 2 minus h. Okay, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, sin 90 minus theta. So sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. 1 minus cos h, that is the cos q, h by 3 into cos 90 minus h means sin h, and this is equal to sin h. So here limit h tends to 0, h tends to 0, so this is equal to, sorry, the square 3 cos square of 90 minus h, so this is equal to 3 sin square cos sin square h, because sin of 90 minus h equal to cos 90 minus h equal to sin h, so this is the 3 sin square h. So if we put h is equal to 0, 1 minus cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0 by 0 4, so this is the 0 by 0 4. If the limit is on determinant form, then we have to factorize by using the formula. So 1 minus cos q h means 1 the q minus cos q h, using the formula aq minus bq. So you know the formula aq minus bq equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equal to 1 minus cos h into 1 plus a minus b into a square means 1 square plus ab plus a into b, a means 1, b means cos h, 1 plus cos h plus cos square h whole by 3 into sin square h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, so 1 by 3 taking common because 3 is a constant, so this is equal to 1 by 3 into limit h tends to 0, 1 minus cos h by sin square h into limit h tends to 0, 1 plus cos h plus cos square h. Okay, here if we put h is equal to 0, then cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus cos 0 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this will be 3. But how to find this limit? How to find this limit 1 minus cos h by sin square h? So this is equal to so 1 by 3 into limit h tends to 0. So 1 minus cos h, you know the formula 1 minus cos h, the 2 sin square h by 2. You know the formula 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So here in place of theta h is there. So 1 minus cos h is 2 sin square h by 2 by sin square h into this limit is 3. Okay. So here 3 into 3 cancel. So this is equal to 2 into 3. 3 cancel. So 2 into limit h tends to 0. This is square and this is square. So this is equal to sin square h. Sin square h by 2 into sin h by sin square h. So this is equal to sin h by 2 by sin h the whole square. Because the numerator is square, denominator is square, to total square. And you know also there is a algebra of limit. Limit extends to a fx to the power n is equal to limit extends to a fx whole to the power n. तेणु आम पावर भितर को डायरेक्ट लिमिट आमको एंट्री करिया. सो दिस इज 2 इंटू लिमिट h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by sin h the whole square. You know also there is a standard formula of the limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Sin x by x is equal to 1. And also there is a formula limit x tends to 0, sin alpha x by sin beta x equal to alpha by beta by dividing x in numerator and denominator. Then you adjust here alpha and here you adjust beta. alpha adjust करो बीटा को adjust कला पर तुमरा आइसो alpha by beta ये सब जाको भी फॉर्मूला में लास्ट वीडियो डिस्कशन करथिले. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h, that is of the form sin alpha x by sin beta x. Here the variable is h. So in numerator the coefficient of h is 1 by 2 and the denominator the coefficient is 1, and this is 2 into here 1 by 2 by 1 rho square. ये अल्फा टा केते हला ना अल्फा टा तमर होची 1 by 2 बोला रे पूछो sin alpha x by sin beta x is alpha by beta. हमें डायरेक्ट फार्मूला भी मु यूज कर दोचे दी. अरे ये अल्फा टा तमर 1 by 2 वाला बीटा रा है कहला तो अल्फा by beta होल स्क्वायर अछि स्क्वायर होला. So this is 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 means 1 by 2 rho square होची 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So the left hand limit is 1 by 2. And what will be the right hand limit? So the right hand limit extends to pi by 2 plus fx. So this is equal to limit extends to pi by 2 plus if x greater than pi by 2, then what will be f of x at the given condition, and the fx is b into 1 minus sin x, b into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole square. b into 1 minus sin x by pi minus 2x whole square if x greater than pi by 2, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0, substitute pi by 2 minus h, sorry pi by 2 plus h in place of x. So b into 1 minus sin pi by 2 plus h, pi by 2 plus h whole by pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h रो whole square. कौन करियो एग्जाम में कौन पका ना pi by 2 plus h. Okay, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 b into here 1 minus sin 90 plus theta. So sin 90 plus theta, 90 plus means lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So b into 1 minus cos x whole by here pi minus 2 multiply this one pi minus 2h rho square. So b taking common outside because b is constant. Limit h tends to 0 1 minus cos h by 4h square. Taking 4 is also common. So b by 4 into limit h tends to 0, use the formula 1 minus cos h because you put directly h equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0 by 0 form. This is the 0 by 0 form. If the limit is 0 by 0 form, then you have to factorize by using the formula. So 1 minus cos h formula 2 sin square h by 2 by h square. So this is 2b by 4, 2 take common, limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h whole square, and limit go to power. So this is b by 2, 2 to cancel. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h whole square using the formula limit x tends to 0 sin alpha x by alpha is 1. Here x equal to h, here alpha means 1 by 2 sin alpha x by x, here alpha means 1 by 2. So this is equal to b by 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square. So this is b by 4 into 8. So b by 8. The right hand limit is b by 8 and the left hand limit, so left hand limit is 1 by 2 and the right hand limit is b by 8. So but the value of the function at x equal to pi by 2, that is f of pi by 2. So here f of pi by 2, what is given? So f of pi by 2 is a, if x equal to pi by 2, then f of pi by 2 is equal to a, this is the given condition. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus fx is equal to value of the function, because fx is continuous. You have the left hand limit is 1 by 2. आम एटा डिराइव करी बाहर करछे 1 by 2. यार वैल्यूटा केते आसिला b by 8 आसिला. यार वैल्यूटा होचे तमरो a. So by equating these two condition, here a is equal to 1 by 2, b by 8 is equal to a. So b by 8 or b by 8, 1 by 2 is equal to b by 8. That implies b is equal to 4. b equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 4. So by using the LHL and RHL and the value of the function, you have to find a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 4. So the another question, fx equal to x minus 4 by x minus 4 more, if x less than 4, if x equal to 4, then fx equal to a plus b. If x greater than 4, then fx equal to x minus 4 by x minus 4 more plus b is continuous at x equal to 4, then find the value of a and b. Okay, here also fx is continuous, means limiting value is equal to value of the function, but here if x less than 4, then fx equal to this one, if x greater than 4, then fx equal to this one. So for existence of limit, you have to calculate the left hand limit and the right hand limit. Since fx is continuous at x is equal to 4, so limit x tends to 4 f of x is equal to f of 4, but limit x tends to 4 means x tends to 4 minus is limit x tends to 4 plus fx is equal to f of 4. First to find limit x tends to 4 minus, that is the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 4 minus f of x. So here fx equal to x tends to 4 minus. So what is fx? Fx is x minus 4 by x minus 4 more plus a. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0. Put or substitute 4 minus h in place of x. 4 minus h minus 4 by 4 minus h minus 4 more. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel, here also cancel, plus a, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0, here minus h row mode. So minus h row mode means mod h. So mod h is equal to mod h equal to h plus a, and this is equal to minus 1 plus a, that is a minus 1. So the left hand limit is a minus 1, and what will be right hand limit? So limit extends to 4 plus fx. So this is equal to x tends to 4 plus, what will be fx? If x greater than 4, then x minus 4 by x minus 4 mod plus b. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, put x equal to 4 plus h, 4 plus h minus 4 by 4 plus h minus 4 mod plus b. So minus 4 cancel, here also cancel. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, h by mod h, you know the mod h equal to h plus b, and this is equal to 1 plus b, and 1 plus b is equal to b plus 1. But the value of the function f of 4, value of the function at x is equal to 4, that is f of 4. So what will be f of 4? A plus b. Okay, by substitute these two values, that implies so fx is continuous at x is equal to 4, that means limit x tends to 4 minus fx is equal to x tends to 4 plus fx is equal to f of 4. Here x tends to 4 minus fx will be a minus 1, and this is equal to b plus 1, and this is equal to a plus b. So by using this condition we have to calculate. Okay, that implies, so a minus 1 is equal to b minus 1. First you have to take these two equation. A minus 1 is equal to b plus 1, that implies a minus b is equal to minus 2. Okay, and you take these two equation, b plus 1 is equal to a plus b, so b cancel, that implies a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1, a equal to 1, and a minus b is equal to what? A minus b equal to minus 2, that implies substitute a is equal to 1, 1 minus b is equal to minus 2. Okay, that implies minus b equal to minus 3. So b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. That implies b is equal to 3. Therefore a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. Then fx equal to the x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 to the x minus 16. K, if x equal to is continuous at x is equal to, then find the value of k. Find k. This one is also same type of question, same type of problem. Here fx is continuous, means limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to value of the function. So x tends to 2 means x not equal to 2. If x not equal to 2, then fx will be this one. That implies limit x tends to 2, 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 to the power x minus 16. Here f of 2 is equal to k. So how to calculate its value? If we put x is equal to 2 in given function, then this will be 2 to the power 2 plus 2 means 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 minus 16, 0, here 4 square, 16 minus 16, 0 by 0, and this limit is a 0 by 0 form. If the limit is 0 by 0, then you have to factorize by using the formula. That implies limit x tends to, how to factorize? Here 2 to the power x plus 2 means you can write in this way, 2 to the power x into 2 square minus 16 by 4 to the power x means 2 2 to the x square. This is known as 2 to the x square minus and 16 means 4 square. Here that implies this one is equal to k. So here 2 to the x, 2 to the square minus 16, 2 square means 4. So take 4 common in numerator. So this is equal to limit x tends to 2. The 4 ta common calculator 2 to the x minus 4 by here using the formula a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b plus 4 is equal to k. So 2 to the x minus 4, 2 to the x minus 4 cancel. Okay, after cancel the factor, then you have to put limit. That implies limit x tends to 2. It 2 pocket le c. Now this is 4 by 2 square plus 4 equal to k. That implies 4 by 4 plus 8 equal to k. That implies k is equal to 1 by 2. So the answer k is equal to 1 by 2. Another question. So this question, fx equal to x cube plus 8 by x fifth plus 32. If x not equal to minus 2, if x equal to minus 2, then this k. It continues at x equal to minus 2, then find k. This is also same type of problem. Continuous means limiting value is equal to functional value. Limit x tends to minus 2, fx is equal to f minus 2. X tends to minus 2 means x not equal to 2, minus 2. So limit x tends to minus 2, here x cube plus 8 by x fifth minus 32 plus 32 is equal to k. But how to find this limit? If we put x equal to minus 2 in given function, here minus 2 row q means minus 8, minus 8 plus 8 is 0. This one is minus 2 to 5 means minus 32, minus 32 plus 32, so this is 0. So this limit is 0 by 0 form. So here we use factorization formula. So how to factorize or using by the formula. So there is a formula here, power x cube, here 8 means you have to write power q means plus 8, you have to write minus 2 row q. Here x over 5 means 32, 32 can be expressed minus 2 to the power 5. So limit x tends to minus 2 आपको तमे पावर फॉर्मूला स्टाइल ले सेट करिया पड़ियो. तने x q अछि माने 8 टाको भी पावर q रखिया पड़ियो. तो हुज पावर q is 8 and 2 रो पावर ता जदि हम 3 नेबा 8 हो. So this is equal to minus of minus 2 रो q. Minus of minus 2 रो q कले एटा minus 8 हो, minus minus plus 8 हो. So इन तळे कोन करा हो x to the power 5 minus minus 2 to the power 5 is equal to k. You know the formula, limit, main formula, the limit power formula, this known as power formula. Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a per n by x minus a is equal to n into a per n minus 1 for all n belongs to q set. पावर टाको समान रखिया पड़ियो किंतु एडी x to the power n minus a per n by x minus a रहया दरकार. तळे कोन जदि एडी हमर x q minus 2 पर minus 2 रो q अछि बोले तळे कोन रहया दरकार x minus a means x minus of minus a, here a means minus 2, तो x minus of minus 2 that is x plus 2. ए x plus 2 9 ना तो हम कोन करिया पड़ियो x plus 2 न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर हमको डिवाइड करिया पड़ियो. डिवाइड करला पर एटा पावर फॉर्म होयो, पावर फॉर्म लिमिट ता सेपरेट करियो, सेपरेट करला पर पावर फॉर्म होयो, पावर फॉर्मूला फॉर्म बोले तमे फॉर्मूला यूज करियो. दैट इंप्लाइज लिमिट एडी कोन करिया हम डिवाइड करिया, डिवाइड इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, n for r numerator, d for r for denominator. X plus 2 means x minus or minus 2. This is limit x tends to minus 2, x cube minus by x minus or minus 2 whole by limit x tends to minus 2, x to the power 5 minus by x minus of minus 2 is equal to k. So use this formula x to the power n minus a power n by x minus a. This is known as n into a power n minus 1. Here n means q 3, n into a means minus 2, n into a power n minus 1. n is 3, a power n minus 1, n means 3 minus 1. So in the denominator be pakeba, n da keta 5 achi, n into a means minus 2, n into a power n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to k. That implies 3 into minus 2 row square. So minus 2 row square means 4. 3 into 4 by 5 into minus 2 row by 4, 16 equal to k. So 4, ये 4 जा. So this is equal to 3 by 20 equal to k. That implies k is equal to 3 by 20. So यदि कंटिन्यूस होची एमदी वे रे तमे लिमिटिंग वैल्यू दी फंक्शन डायरेक्ट कंसीडर करियो. डायरेक्ट कंसीडर कला पर तमे एमदी लिमिट को कैलकुलेशन करिया को पड़िबो. तो so many problems are there. In such way you have to calculate the value of k. Another question. So find the points of discontinuity of the function. Here f(x) equal to, if x less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0, then f(x) equal to root x. If x less than 5 by 2, greater than 1, then f(x) equal to 4 minus 2x. And if x less than or equal to 4, greater than or equal to minus 5 by 2, here f(x) equal to 2x minus 7. Here we ask discontinuity point. How many points are there which are discontinuity of the given function? को point रे function टा discontinuity हबोनी. को point रे discontinuity ना जो point रे limiting value टा functional value संगे equal हो नथुओ बा limiting value ला exist हो नथुओ से point को हम कोचे discontinuity point, or the point at which the value of the function is not defined. जो point रे function रो value टा exist हो नथुओ, जो point रे limiting value टा value of the function संगे equal हो नथुओ, जो पॉइंट रे फंक्शन लिमिटिंग वैल्यू दा एग्जिस्ट होनो तो दैट पॉइंट आर कॉल्ड डिस्कंटिन्यूटी पॉइंट. अच्छा एडी फंक्शन दा कोड केते डिफाइन कराइछि 0 to 4 भितर. तो 0 to 4 भितर टोटल फंक्शन 0 दा आरंभ होला 4 टू सरला. तो गोटे क्लोज इंटरवल भितर फंक्शन दा कंटीन्यूअस कया मींस से क्लोज इंटरवल भितर x रो सब वैल्यू पाई फॉर ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑफ x बिलोंग्स टू इन क्लोज इंटरवल. If f(x) is continuous, then we say the function is continuous on that closed interval. Clearly, the function is defined on the closed interval 0 to 4. એટલે 0 to 4 भीतर function define कला सिना किंतु एडी कोन देछि 1 रो लेफ्ट साइड रे फंक्शन गुटे देछि 1 राइट साइड रे देछि सिनी 5/2 रो लेफ्ट रे देछि 5/2 रो राइट रे देछि. तेनो आमे जदि टर्निंग पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट. 1 दा गोटे टर्निंग पॉइंट होबो, 5/2 दा गोटे टर्निंग पॉइंट होबो ना नहीं. जो पॉइंट रे फंक्शन दा चेंज करथुओ दैट पॉइंट आर कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट. तेनो 0 to 4 भीतर आमे तो सब पॉइंट आमे टेस्ट करि परियानी ना. आमे टर्निंग पॉइंट आगा मु टेस्ट करिया पड़ियो. बाउंड्री पॉइंट टेस्ट करिया किछ आवश्यक नाही. आमको जदि टर्निंग पॉइंट रे फंक्शन दा जदि कंटीन्यूअस हे जिवो we can say that this given function is continuous on whole close interval 0 to 4. तो एडी आमे डिस्कंटिन्यूटी पॉइंट बाहर करिया माने क्लोज इंटरवल 0 to 4 सब जाक पॉइंट टेस्ट करिया दरकार नहीं. केवल टर्निंग पॉइंट रागा टेस्ट करू. टर्निंग पॉइंट रे माने कोन ना जो पॉइंट रे फंक्शन रे चेंज करथुओ, चेंज होतो गुटे फंक्शन रो आ गुटे फंक्शन रो वैल्यूडा चेंज होतो दैट पॉइंट आर कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट. तो हम फर्स्ट टेस्ट करिया 1 पाके टेस्ट करिया 5/2 पाके टेस्ट करिया. टेस्ट फॉर कंटिन्यूटी एट x इज इक्वल टू 1. जेतु 1 लेफ्ट साइड रो अछि 1 राइट साइड रो अछि तेनो हम एलएचएल बाहर करिया लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1 माइनस fx ता केता हबो 2 root x हम ओके 1 रू सान fx टा होची 2 root x and this will be limit has tends to 0 2 into root over केता हबो 1 minus x हबो x 1 minus x पकेबो हेले x tends to 0 माने तमे 0 पकेबो so this is 2 into 1 minus 0 root 2 so this is equal to तो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट टा 2 आइला तो राइट हैंड लिमिट आदर बाहर करू लिमिट x tends to 1 plus fx टा एडी 1 दु जेतला अधिक हबो सेतला फंक्शन टा केता हबो 4 minus 2x so this is equal limit h tends to 0 एडी कोन पकेबो 4 minus 2 into एडी 1 minus h पकेबा सॉरी 1 plus h पकेबा राइट हैंड लिमिट टा सो एडी केता होची हजार हमें 0 पकेले 4 minus 2 into 1 plus 0 होला तो 4 minus 2 केते 2 होला तो राइट हैंड लिमिट टा 2 आइला लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट टा 2 आइला तो लिमिट टा एग्जिस्ट होला वैल्यू दी फंक्शन दा बाहर करू f half 1 f half 1 रे फंक्शन दा केता होबो ना जतो एक्स्ट्रा 1 रू सान होबो बा 1 संगे समान हेले fx equal 2 root x होची तो f half 1 माने तो एडी पकेबो 2 into root 1 तो 2 into root 1 मींस केता ला 2 so left hand limit is right hand limit is equal to value of the function clearly fx is continuous at x is equal to 1 तो 1 दा कभी भी डिस्कंटिन्यूटी पॉइंट हबो नेडी 1 दा कंटीन्यूअस आइला so fx is continuous at x is equal to 1 वर्तमान देखो हमें को टर्निंग पॉइंट नेक्स्ट टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या है 5/2 टेस्ट करिया नाउ टेस्ट फॉर continuity at x is equal to 5/2 तो 5/2 मींस लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट बाहर करू 5/2 माइनस रे बाहर करू काहे ना लेफ्ट साइड देछि राइट साइड देछि क्लियरली दिस इज जस्ट ए फंक्शन तो 5/2 माइनस fx ता केता होबो 4 minus 2x होला so this is equal to limit h tends to 0 4 minus 2 into x आर कोन पका ना 5/2 minus h पकाबो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ता you know how to calculate the left hand limit so limit h tends to 0 एडा केते होछि 4 minus 5 plus 2h होला 2 to cancel होला okay so 4 minus 5 this is minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 0 equal to minus 1 next limit x tends to 5/2 plus fx तो 5/2 रु बड़ा होछि तो फंक्शन केता हबो 2x minus 7 हबो 2x minus 7 so this is equal limit h tends to 0 हमें एडी x रे कोन पके 2 into 5/2 plus h पके minus 7 so एडी पकले limit h tends to 0 एडा केता आसी 2 to cancel 5 plus 2 has minus 7 so 5 minus 7 equal to केते minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 so left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit so the value of the function not necessary to find clearly it is discontinued at x is equal to 5/2 fx is discontinuous at x is equal to 5/2 देखो जेतु 5/2 रे फंक्शन दा डिस्कंटिन्यूट हेगला एडी एक्चुअली फंक्शन दा डिफाइन करछि क्लोज इंटरवल 0 to 4 गोटे फंक्शन दी क्लोज इंटरवल रे कंटीन्यूअस कहबा अर्थात क्लोज इंटरवल रो सब जाक पॉइंट रे जदी कंटीन्यूअस होछि फंक्शन हम कहबा कंटीन्यूअस कहबा किंतु हम एडी सब जाक पॉइंट रे तो बाहर करे दरकार नै जेतु एडी 1 रो लेफ्ट रे देछि 1 रो राइट रे देछि 5/2 रो लेफ्ट साइड देछि 5/2 रो राइट रे देछि दिस पॉइंट आर कॉल्ड टर्निंग पॉइंट हमें टर्निंग पॉइंट रे टेस्ट करिया पड़े तो the turning point discontinuity होनी well I mean we can say that the function is clearly continuous on that closed interval but in that closed interval 0 to 5/2 there is a point 5/2 whose limiting value does not exist so clearly this function is not continuous at x is equal to 5/2 that means 5/2 is a discontinuity point. So discontinuity point means you have to calculate the functional value does not exist or limiting value exists is not equal to functional value that point are called discontinuity point. Pause दियो.